welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share about my record shelf setup in my new home that we are turning into a homestay. We chose this shelf from Natural Signature because it's very minimalist and versatile. It's easy to install and the material is sturdy and it's very affordable too. I picked a single-seated sofa to go with it. I chose to add a base to the shelf to support it. I wanted to create a music corner for our guests to experience listening to vinyl and CD. So here's a CD player and a shelf for some of my favorite albums. I also included some books and other decor. For the record player, I chose the Crosley Cruiser turntable because it's handy and beginner friendly. It has a built-in speaker and is portable. Last week, I visited a vinyl cafe for the first time in KL. Located on the top floor, it is a cozy cafe with natural lighting. It costs 25 ringgit for a 90-minute listening session with an Audio-Technica AT-LP70X. There are vinyl records from various genres that you could choose from. They also serve drinks and dessert too. I chose to listen to artists that I've been interested in but haven't really heard their music yet. It was a great time discovering new music all by myself. I also visited M-Court Mall, a place in KL that is perfect for hobbies and record collectors. I went floor by floor visiting every record store I could find. I wanted to thrift some old records to display in my record corner. I ended up getting 2 records for 30 ringgit each. Growing up, music has always been a big part of my life. My parents used to be record collectors too. I'm truly thankful that I get to set up my own record shelf and also sharing it with everyone in the world. I hope you'll find joy in my video like how I felt creating it. I'll be sharing about room makeover next. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out.